Are you having problems with your eFootball 2026 mobile app that it's stuttering, lagging, or freezing and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it myself. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed my eFootball app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app and then in here we're just going to scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general in here. So click on general and as you can see you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page we're just going to click on iPhone storage right here, or maybe it says just storage for you if you have an Android. And now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps that we have on our phone. So now when it's done, just click on search up top here, search for eFootball. Here it is. Perfect. So click on offload app and once again click on offload app down below here. And we're just going to wait a couple of seconds. We need to wait for the new button where it says reinstall app now. So click on it. And now we're just going to wait for it to completely update to its latest version. This shouldn't, by the way, log you out of your account. Instead, you're just going to get the absolute latest version of the app. And that should be able to fix a lot of problems. At least it did so for me. So hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.